Design of Tall Building Project. Assignment for Skylab online course by Sandeep Kumar. Design of Tall Building Introduction. The design of tall building essentially involves a conceptual design, approximate analysis, design and optimization to be safely carry gravity and lateral loads. The design criteria are strength, serviceability, stability and human comfort. The strength is satisfied by limit state fill. Serviceability is satisfied by draft limit in the range of h upon 500 to h upon 1000. Subsystem and components. The subsystems or components of the tall building structural system essentially of the following: floor system, vertical load resisting system, lateral load resisting system and connection. Energy dissolution system and dumping. The most commonly used structural system has been classified: moment resisting system, shear wall frame system, shear truss outringer base system, frame tubes in tube system with auditorium column, blast tubes, truss tubes without auditorium, modular tubes. The structural system should be able to different type of loads such as gravity, lateral load, temperatures, blast, impact load, etc. This is a building that I am going to design. It's 23-story building and different storage at different plan view. As you can see from 1 to 8 there is particular set of plan view. From 9 to 14 there is another view. From 15 to 19 other view, particular view. 20 to 23 is the other particular plan view. So as you can see, the dead load is 2 Newton kilometer square applied on all the story building, but the live load are different for different type of storage. In case of 1 to 8 is 5 kilonewton meter square, 9 to 14 is 4 to 5 kilonewton meter square, and 15 to 19 it 4 kilonewton meter square, and 20 to 23 it is 3.5 kilonewton meter square. And the beams and column are different type of I have taken three beam and columns, and there is options auto select used in ETABS software. Within given the best columns dimension in is the made of M14 grade of concrete having HYSD 500 mild 2050 rubber. This slab is 150 mm thickness of M40, and the words are using to auto drag cladding have a wind load 2 kilonewton meter square. The buildings is designed for particularly of Bangalore, so all the IS code parameters are taken for Bangalore only. So what I had done in the software, now I am going to show what I have done is the software. So after running the analysis, I have give the displacement as here applying to the dead, and the live load as you can see here. You can see different storage is the different set of plan view. From 9 to 14 there 9 to 14 is different set of plan view, and a different type of plan view are represented. I have designed for seismic load, so I have added two different parameter like there essentially run for dead load and live load. By choosing particular set like now I have choosing particular set like don't run for the further the load and live load. I just simply put this is 1, this is 4 allow for this schematic load. I can do run analysis. So this is the analysis for doing so. I have gone for the load patterns. In the loads patterns I have user schematic and I will show you the parameters I have taken so that has x dimension and y direction and y direction only on these schematic loads. Since as for is code has been taken 0.1 and factor is taken as 1. The bottom of story as waste the responsible redirection are as 3 as you can see there. So from the run analysis we can run of the different particulars we want responsible spectrum